Alright, so today we're taking a look at a really great site called Imgur. Now Imgur is a site that I've been using for a long time to actually store images online. That's what it does. It allows you to share images and also makes it really easy to upload them and embed them onto other websites. So very simply, when you get to Imgur, you're automatically on Upload Images. You can go over here to Browse, and I can go and search my computer for an image I want to use. Alright, now notice the other options. I could upload URLs. If I had an image, let's say I found in Google Images that I wanted to save, I can take that URL for the image and paste it in here and save it as well. I could also create an album with several images and share the whole album. For right now, I have this one file selected. I want to click over here on Edit, show you some basic editing features. It's very simple to actually rotate images or resize them, so I'll show you how that looks. In addition, a new feature of this page is that you can actually take the images from an outside window and drag them onto the browser window, and it'll add to your list of files to work with. Very simple to use. I go to Continue. Notice it takes it up to their server, and here we go. If I wanted to edit the file, very simply I can do the following. I can rotate over here using these buttons, rotate back, and I could also resize. So let's say I want to make this, instead of 512, I'm putting it on a blog and I want it to be, let's say, 250 by 250. So there you go. Much easier to make it smaller. And I go to Continue. Alright, so now I have this image over here, and it tells you all the different ways you can actually work with this image. So essentially, I have a link to the image, so again, it's just one single hyperlink that will take me to a page with this image. I have a direct link, so if I want to put it into emails or IMs, but the ones that I really use the most, and the ones that I think probably most users will be using, are these: the HTML image and the HTML link. HTML link means literally click here for, a picture of whatever, and you can actually have them click on it, it'll take them to a dedicated page with this picture. Or this will actually allow you to embed the image on your page without using your own server space. So it's a really great way to cut down on, if you're running a blog that's on your own system, or if even on WordPress that's hosted on your own site, it's a really great way to save on space. So this is a really nice way to link to images very, very simply and easily. I also like this because that way you have a dedicated URL that won't disappear. So again, let me show you how it looks. If I had a direct link, I'm just going to copy that link real quick. This is what you would get. It takes you directly to this page which has your image stored. Now, if I wanted to go back, notice I have a couple of options over here. The deletion links. It's very important to notice this because this is the only way that you'll be able to delete an image on Imgur. If you have a signed in address, you'll be able to see all of your images and then delete them simply. However, if I want to delete these images, I have to click on these manually, and it says, are you sure you want to delete this? And I'm going to say, yes, I'm sure. Essentially, if you have an image that, let's say, you don't want to keep on the server around forever, very easy to get rid of it that way. Again, you can also create albums, you can upload multiple URLs, and it's a really, really easy way to share images and to embed them on your site. Check it out. It's Imgur.com.